Hi everyone, I'm Alex here. Today we are shooting at one of my completed project at Payoh. It's a 4-room flat. So also we have our owner here, Lynn. Okay,
Hi,
Lynn.
Alex.
Hi,
Yeah,
thank you
hi.
for having us today. Okay, let's tell us how you know about our company, Rest and Relax.
Okay, I first come to know Alex and Zach from Rest and Relax via my housing agent, Jasmine. So we first had some discussion on how my house would like to be. My requirements would be like, I like to have a warm, cozy, relaxed feel. I especially like the resort feel of the house, the result of the whole house, which I feel that is very warm.
So I think it's been 2 months since you moved in, right?
Yes.
So can you tell us which part of the house you like the most?
I like the living room, and I also like the bathroom, which is very nicely renovated. And also the room as well. I can have a lot of storage place, which I can store all my stuff. I would like to thank Alex and Zach for providing a very prompt and efficient service. So throughout the renovations, whenever I have any questions, then they are very prompt in replying to me. Yeah, which I like it very much. Oh, another thing is I like Rest and Relax. It's like a lifetime guarantee. So this gives me an assurance that everything will be well taken care of.
How many points you are rating out of 10?
I would like to give nearly 10.
Thank you.
Really, excellent service. And I would like to recommend my friends to come to Rest and Relax too.
Thank you so much also for giving us a chance to design your house, and we hope you enjoy the journey with us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.